This module shows the average and time range of the occurrences on selected events relative to the start of the timelines. The user can configure this chart by clicking on Set Events. As you can see here, the panel displays all events from the processes within the timelines. By selecting the events, the user will begin to analyze those specific events' time range. Note that not all events need to be selected and measured. Once clicking on Add Events, the user is presented with the minimum, medium, and maximum time range for that specific event. You can also define the time range by standard deviation, 75th and 90th percentiles.